This is Funny. You are watching Fun HS Info. Today I am going to talk about standard operating procedures, in short SOP. I am going to talk about what is an SOP, what are the benefits of SOPs, what are the common problems in maintaining SOPs, what are the types of SOPs, how to prepare SOP and some guidelines to make effective SOP. First one, what is an SOP? A standard operating procedure is a set of detailed work instructions that describes each step of a process. Its main aim is to achieve efficiency, quality output, and uniformity of performance by reducing miscommunications and failure to comply with industry regulations. Next, here are some key benefits that often come with the usage of standard operating procedure. First one, consistent quality. To ensure that manufacturing activities are carried out consistently to maintain the quality control of processes and goods. Second one, employees efficiency. To act as a guideline for co-worker who observe job results to improve overall performance. Third one, increase the productivity to ensure that the process proceed uninterrupted and are completed within the prescribed timeline. Fourth one, employee safety. It is very important to provide people with all necessary protection, health, environmental and operational information to enhance their performance at the job. A good example of how SOPs keep employees safe is lockout-tagout system. Faster onboarding of new employees to serve as a training manual for educating users about the method about which the SOP has been written. And last one, better customer experience to ensure that approved procedures are followed as per company and government regulations. Now, what are the common problems in maintaining SOPs? First one, SOPs are outdated and ineffective. Many organizations create SOPs just to meet compliance requirements. Second one, SOPs are text-heavy manuals. People don't want to read 100-page document, so they don't. Third one, SOPs are incomplete. The full process lives only in the process, making it impossible to review and optimize or train others. And last one, organizations don't have time to devote the process. The SOP to-do list is so large that organizations simply don't know where and how to get started. The result, processes are poorly defined, leading to miscommunication, conflict, and inefficiency. So next one, what are the types of SOPs? There are many types of SOPs, but these are some examples of what they are like. First one, operational. Operational SOPs focus on specific processes or tasks carried out by employees, such as performing particular duties or activities within the company. The objective is to achieve efficiency, productivity, and reducing miscommunication and failure to comply. Second one, administrative. Administrative SOPs deal with day-to-day operations such as office administration and security clearance requirements for employees. Managers and leaders mostly follow these procedures to run the team effectively. And third one, technical SOPs help document best practices related to the technical functions like IT systems, infrastructure management, etc. Use cloud-based platforms that make all processes consistent and repeatable. Now, how to prepare SOP? To prepare SOP, we have to follow hierarchical SOP. A hierarchical SOP uses a top-down approach to break down the process. It covers the following. First one, policy. Establishes the scope of SOP, including what is and what is not to be covered. Second one, procedures. Outlines the steps to complete a process and the roles for those involved. Third one, guidelines. Provides additional guidance to meet quality standards. And last one, documentation. Establishes a record keeping system to ensure compliance with internal policies and industry regulations. Then who should write SOP? People who will perform or has been performed the job. People who work together on a job or anybody related with the task. Example, engineers, technicians and maintenance persons. People who supervise the other people doing the job. Safety and health officer and technical writers. So to prepare SOP, we have to follow these 10 simple tips. First one, list out all the processes or procedures that require SOP. Second one, design or choose a standard format for writing SOP. Third one, define objectives and responsibilities. Fourth one, SOP should be written in a simple word that can be easily understood by other user. Fifth one, all steps involved in the process clearly mentioned. Sixth one, if steps are more than 10, then we represent steps in picture format. Next one, only use present tense, do not use maybe word. Next one, warning and precautions should be highlighted. Ninth one, SOP should be available at the place where the work is done. And last one, frequent revision is necessary if there is any process or equipment change or modification. So next, a typical structure of SOP. The contents of standard operating procedure should include the following: title page, company logo, header with SOP title, department name, effective date, revision date, review date, page number, SOP, reference document, purpose, scope, responsibility, procedure, footer, approved signatures, prepared by, checked by, approved by, stamp, control copy or master copy, and QA stamp. Let me brief. First one, company logo. Each page include an exo shall be a company logo. Next one, header with the title of SOP shall be printed in Times New Roman letters, front size 14 and bold style in capitals. Next one, title has to mention here, same as above, shall be printed on Times of New Romans, font size 12, style bold. Next one, department name. Next, effective date. The effective date is the date from which the SOP shall be effective. Training shall be given to all concerned personnel before effective date of the SOP. Next one, revision date. In case of new SOP, revision number will be nil and date to be mentioned right side of the column. SOP number. It contains 16 letters. First 2 letters for company name, third letter for site code, fourth letter for slash, fifth and sixth letter for department, seventh letter for slash, 8, 9, 10 letters for SOP, 11, 12, 13 for serial number of SOP, 14th letter for dash, 15 and 16 letter for revision number. Like that I mentioned here. This is the header part. Then the contents. Purpose. This section describes the justification for the preparation of the SOP and what is expected from it. Scope. This section shall indicate the applicability of SOP for its intended use. Responsibility and accountability. This section shall indicate the responsibilities of personnel for intended activity. Procedure. This section shall cover stepwise activities performed and conditions or precautions required for implementation of SOP. Next one, annexures shall have unique format number linked to relevant SOP numbers and shall be written at the bottom part, approval part, prepared by, reviewed by and approved by. Prepared by the person preparing the SOP from the initiating department, reviewed head of the initiating department and approved site quality head and his designee. Then the stamping part, control copy, master copy and QA stamp. Last one, page number, which includes total number of pages versus present number. This is about SOP, Standard Operating Procedure. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Thank you once again. Have a safe day.